This is just what I got in today, the latest. This is from VT Cycles Incorporated, and it is his eBay store. I ordered this a few months ago and I wasn't able to complete this transaction. And I'm glad my friend Steve gave me a little bit of leeway to finally put everything together and get my ducks in a row and buy this. But this right here is what he sent me. He's a DIO 52.6 crank with supporter made in Taiwan. This is the real one right here. This crankshaft, fully rotational, fully stuffed. It has beryllium plates and Kevlar bearings, which will give it the top speed of up over 18,000 RPM in these little motors. And of course they come with these cut down bearings, which you need to have. The bearings are thinner than regular because of the counterweights are so damn large, as you can see. Actually, it's just a regular Fongier crank. Scratch all that Hollywood stuff I said before that. And I just wanted to show it to you. I know that it will fit my motor. I know that it is a DIOSpeedDEMON crank for one thing. That's if you look on this side right here, you can see the number 666. It's kind of like the tattoo on the back of my head for some reason. That's why I like these cranks. Anyway, I needed to order this, and I ordered it from VT Cycles. And if you look on all my websites, all my videos, in the description it shows where you can get these parts. And remember that most of the parts, I'd say 99% of my parts come from VT Cycles. He's helped me since I started this video channel when I had nothing, and now I'm approaching 35 million views. He also sent me a couple of these things, which are solid gold to me, and I want to thank you, Steve. These are square head jug gaskets for my SEF water-cooled head to put the cylinder on, and they're simply not available in the United States proper that I can find them. And so I look for these whenever I can, because as soon as I tear off the head and the cylinder, like I did with this engine right here last October, it had the square jug on it. I can't put it back together without these new gaskets. If you don't have the gaskets, you can't make them. You can't fabricate them. You have to have them. And so that's why I love dealing with VT Cycles, because Steve Van Treese, the owner, has looked after me, watched over me, and he's blood to me, even though I've never been to the islands, and perhaps at my age I never will. But anyway, I just want to say thank you, Steve. That this crank is just absolutely beautiful. It's Fongier, and as I understand it, and I'm not 100% sure, but VT Cycles in Hawaii, as I have been told, is the only licensed Fongier dealer in Hawaii. And I don't know. I've never been to Hawaii, so I don't know. But if you are going to buy parts for your bike, you cannot go wrong with Fongier. I have had this crank just like the excuse me, in this engine for a number of years. I've had no problems, none. Once you set it in there and set it in there right, you got yourself a hell on wheels. You got a DIOSpeedDEMON. Yeah. Thanks, Steve.